Leetcode weekly context 499. This is question number 1. Valid elements in an array. This is an easy problem. This problem is asking us to find out all valid elements based on condition of strictly greater than, which means if we can translate this into simple English, that means this element will be the maximum number. So if we can go through this array one by one for all elements, along while we are going through the array, we calculate the current max number. We can see if this current max value is equal to the current number, which is the number with the current index, then this is a valid element. We can put it into the array of result. But the question is asking us to check from left or right, which means we have to do it twice. For both directions, we can either go through this array from left to right and go through this array from right to left. This way we can find out all the elements that is valid. But anyway, that's the solution we're gonna use to solve this problem.